A big story this week is an Associated Press investigation that found prescription drugs in much of the nation's drinking water. Pontiac Township high school students have created a solution for getting rid of your prescription drugs that is safe for the environment. Students created the Pontiac Prescription Drug Disposal Program in January after studies found over 80% of water supplies in America are contaminated with pharmaceuticals. They approached pharmacies in Pontiac and then asked them to collect the community's excess or outdated prescription drugs and send them to a company called MedTurn. It incinerates those pharmaceuticals. This is better for the environment because drugs that are usually flushed down the drain will be burned instead. Teachers say this has given their students a first-hand chance to make a difference.
It's 100% real-life ecology. It's 100% real-life civics. These kids are learning how to do things that nobody else is able to do.
The teachers behind the program have also been talking to state lawmakers, and coming up tonight at 6, we'll tell you how this program could become a national model for prescription drug disposal.